Hello and welcome back to GoHighLevel Mastery course. This is Hasnan from Logics. In the previous video, we understood what pipelines are and why they exist, how they help you design the flow of your business and see where leads move or get stuck. In this video, we're going to apply that concept practically. We will create a new pipeline from scratch and then connect it with a simple automation. When an appointment is booked, the lead will automatically move into the appointment booked stage. And if the status is changed to no-show, a no-show follow-up automation will automatically start. Let's jump to the screen and build this step by step. In order to create a pipeline, we need to go to the opportunities and then create a new pipeline. These are the previous pipelines we have in the sub account. So we'll click on create a pipeline. These are 4 common steps. You can delete them if you don't want them. And first of all, name it. So let's say leads management, and there will be new lead. Add a stage. There will be appointment booked, and then no show or follow up. These are 2 charts on the dashboard. If you want to show this pipeline on the chart, you can select them. So click on create. The pipeline will be created. And if you go back to opportunities, you can select that pipeline from here. So this is the pipeline: new lead, appointment book, no show, and follow up. These are the 4 main stages of your flow. It's up to you. Now let's create an automation. In automation, we need, whenever an appointment is booked, so the lead will be showing over here. And then if the client doesn't show up, we will change the appointment status and it will automatically move to no show. Or if we move it here, then the no show sequence should automatically start. And follow up means if your meeting went good and you are hopeful about the client, so you will move it here and it will automatically keep following up with that client to nurture him. So let's go to the automation. We've created this folder in this calendar booking. So let's edit this workflow. In the calendar booking, we have added this trigger. Then whenever an appointment is booked in this calendar, so this workflow should be triggered. So at first step, I think we should go here and create or update opportunity. So select this step. We'll have to select the pipeline. So we'll select this pipeline stage, appointment booked, save this action. So now whenever an appointment is booked, it will automatically create an opportunity in that pipeline and the stage will be appointment booked. Save it. Now we'll create another automation for no show or follow up. We'll create a workflow from scratch. We'll add a trigger. In this video, I'll show you how you can add more than 1 triggers. So first trigger will be appointment status. Status is no show. You save it. And the second trigger will be, there will be 2 possibilities. One is the status change and the other will be whenever you will drag the opportunity from appointment booked stage to no show. It is called pipeline stage change. We'll select the pipeline first. These are the filters that will avoid bugs. No show. This should fire when it's no show. Okay, now the action is, first of all, we will make sure that if this contact has came into this workflow through this trigger, pipeline stage change, so this should also change the status of the appointment as well. Update appointment status. So we'll update it as no show. And in a similar way, if the contact has entered into this workflow through this trigger, the appointment status trigger, then the pipeline stage will not be changed. So we will have to change it through the workflow. I'll show you afterwards, then you will get to know that. So this will update or create or update opportunity. Management and no show. And save the action. And now we'll start our sequence. So we will again take help from ChatGPT for the email copy. So it has given us more than 1 emails and given us a total plan. First email, same day, and then 24 hours later, and then 48 or 72 hours later. So it's up to you. If you want to use it as it is, you can use it, and if you want any tweaking or adjusting, you can do that. Send an email You can send an SMS or whatever you want. Okay, so this is subject, paste it, and let's go to okay. Again, we'll have to update these custom values. Contact, first name, appointment, time, okay, appointment rescheduling, and then your name, user, full name, and company name, account name. So that's it. I'm gonna save it, and we can name it as email same day, and then we're gonna wait. Today we're going to use another type of wait, that is only time delay, and it will be 24 hours later. Now copy all action from here to here. We'll update it, the body, the second email. I'm saving your time. Now it's your job to make sure that you're not annoying your client. So select the words wisely, and we'll change the name. Okay, 24 hours later, and now we will wait another 24 hours, and we'll name it as after 48 hours. We'll copy the section and paste it over here. Copy the email from honestly, I don't like the copy of this email. This is a little bit rude, but the point over here is to teach you how you can set things up. It's not about copywriting. So aware of these kind of things. If you're copying and pasting, make sure everything is aligned. So save it and publish it. Name it no show active workflows, and now we'll create another workflow that will be follow-up. Starting batch. Depending upon your business, you can create more than one kind of follow-ups. Now there will be only one trigger, pipeline stage change. So whenever the opportunity has been dragged to follow-up, the follow-up sequence should start. I think we'll have to wait first for a day, because we're not going to follow up right after the meeting. That does not look sensible. So after 24 hours, we're going to send first email. So now we can ask ChatGPT. Okay, so it has given us the same day email as well. Okay, so we can send an email before a wait as well. So these kind of points, we'll have to add those points depending on our call or something. So let me ask it. Don't include the points and start Sending emails after 24 hours. Yeah, so this makes more sense to me. Now send an email 24 hours after. So this is totally customizable. This is only for your ease, in order for you to understand it from the outside. You don't need to open it every time. You need to check it. So there's no rule for this. Copy, paste, and then body. User first name. So let's clarify one more thing, which is user and contact. That's a common confusion among everything who's learning GoHighLevel, among everyone who's learning GoHighLevel. So a user is your team member, and a contact is your customer. Contact is someone who is sitting outside the CRM, and the user who's someone sitting inside the CRM. So that's a clear difference in both of them. So we have set it up. Okay, so we'll copy all actions from here, paste it here. Now it will be after 48 hours, and don't make it 48 hours because it will wait another 24 hours from here, and eventually it will make the 48 hours. You don't need to do that. 48, and now let's copy the next thing. I'll not copy the custom values because you have to update them as well. Even if the custom values are similar, exactly similar, every dot and every underscore, still it will not work. We'll have to select it from that button inside GoHighLevel. That's why I'm not copy pasting it. I'm copy pasting only the body. Save it, and then again copy the action, paste it over here, and it will be after 72 hours, and you have to repeat the same thing again. So it will be 7 days after the meeting. So 7 days after the meeting, we have been waiting for two days, 24 hours, 48 hours, and now 72 hours. So we'll wait for another 5 days. And I would like to clarify one more thing, that if you want to make sure that the emails are not going to send on the weekends, you can open the advanced window from here, and then you can select the times and window in which your emails should be sent. So like this, these are all the weekdays and the window start, and you can add another filter as well if you want. So you can play around with these things and see how it acts, and then all of your concepts will be clear. Okay, email after 7 days. Now we'll have to update the body as well. That's it. We'll save it, publish it, and then save it. Now we're gonna try it because we have selected the calendar in all of this scenario. So we'll go back, go to calendars, copy the link of that calendar, and let's see. Test round login. Get the link, open it. So today is 7. Okay, book an appointment, schedule the meeting, and let's go back to the opportunities and see if we have the opportunity in our pipeline. So in the leads pipeline, appointment book, we have an opportunity. Okay, so now if we drag it to no show, and you're gonna see the appointments first if its status has been updated to no show or not. See, it has been updated to no show. And now let's go back to the conversations or contacts and see if the no-show sequence has been started or not. So the email has not been sent yet. So let's see why that's so. Go back to the no-show workflow. Same day email has been sent. So let's see the execution logs. Same day email has been sent. So from here we can see that it has been sent. So let's check on our Gmail. So we have got the email. We've got the email twice because there's another automation that is running at the back end. So we have set this up because this has a reschedule link and this is the, you can say, appointment details as well. So everything works fine. We've got the email and it is right in the builder as well. So it is standing over here right now. It will wait for 24 hours and then this automation will be fired again. Now let's change it again to follow up and see if follow-up email has been sent or not, will be sent or not. But follow-up email will start sending after 24 hours. So then we'll have to do one more thing to test it. So if we drag from here to here, and then now we see you send the email. Let's reschedule missed appointment. Let's reschedule, and you can check that how this email has been sent. So this email has been sent through this workflow. If you click on the workflow will be opened. And now we'll have to go to the follow-up workflow to see if this contact has been added to this workflow or not, and if it's waiting for 24-hour wait or not. So see, this contact has been waiting over here. So we can push it, select it, and then push it manually and see if we got the follow-up email or not. See, you've got the email. Thank you for your time and taking the time to meet me yesterday. I really appreciate the conversation. So now you have seen how pipelines and workflows work together in a real setup. We created a pipeline, connected it with automation, and saw how a lead moves automatically when an appointment is booked and how no-show and follow-ups start without any manual work. This is the real power of GoHighLevel. We don't manage leads, the system does. In the next video, we will move on to the other GoHighLevel features and continue building complete real-world systems. Make sure you practice this step yourself before using it with real clients. See you in the next video.